everyone. Today's video is of chapter Electromagnetism. This is a chapter of class 10 and the topic which we are going to discuss today is related to transformers. Objective of the topic: formulae and numerical problems of transformer. That means today we will discuss some formulae and numerical problems related to this topic. Before starting the numericals, let us discuss some formulae which are important. The first is turns ratio, N. Turns ratio, N, is equal to the ratio of number of turns in secondary coil, Ns, and number of turns in primary coil, Np. The turn ratio is defined as the ratio of number of turns, Ns, in secondary coil to the number of turns Np in the primary coil. Turn ratio is denoted by the symbol small n. Let us discuss some more formulae. For a transformer, EMF across the secondary coil Es over EMF across the primary coil Ep is equal to number of turns in the secondary coil Ns to the number of turns in the primary coil Np. From this, the formula we get is Es over Ep is equal to Ns over Np, which is equal to turns ratio N. That is, Es is equal to Ep into turns ratio. We have some more formulas. For an ideal transformer, when there is no energy loss, the output power will be equal to the input power, that is, power in secondary coil is equal to power in primary coil. Or mathematically, Es into Is is equal to Ep into Ip. But we know from this formula, Es over Ep is equal to Ns over Np. Therefore, from all these equations, we get Ip upon Is. Here, Is is current in primary coil and Is is current in secondary coil, my dear children, is equal to Es over Ep is equal to Ns over Np. Es is EMF induced across secondary coil. Ep is EMF induced across primary coil. Ns is number of turns in secondary coil. Np is number of turns in primary coil. Now we will discuss some numerical problems related to these formulas. Numerical number 1. The question is, the magnetic flux through a coil having 100 turns decreases from 5 milliweber to 0 in 5 seconds. Calculate the EMF induced in the coil. Solution. Number of turns in the coil is equal to capital N is equal to 100. It is given. Initial magnetic flux Phi1 is equal to 5 milliweber, which is given here. Final magnetic flux Phi2 is equal to 0, which is given here, my dear children. And time taken for this change is 5 seconds. We are to find induced EMF. As we know, induced EMF is equal to N into rate of change in magnetic flux. Induced EMF is equal to N into minus d phi upon dt. Phi is magnetic flux. Induced EMF is equal to N into minus Phi2 minus Phi1 into T. Let's fill the values. Induced EMF is equal to 100 into minus of 0 minus 5 upon 5. Induced EMF is equal to 100 into minus of minus 5 upon 5. 5 upon 5 is 1 and minus of minus is plus, as we all know. So induced EMF is equal to 100 into 1. Induced EMF is equal to 100 millivolt. Here induced EMF is in millivolts because the magnetic flux is in milliweber. We have not converted magnetic flux in SI units, so induced EMF also comes out to be 100 millivolt. Let's move to our next numerical. The statement is, the primary coil of a transformer has 800 turns and the secondary coil has 8 turns. It is connected to a 220 volt AC supply. What will be the output voltage? Solution. Number of turns in primary coil NP is equal to 800. It is given. Number of turns in secondary coil NS is equal to 8. The input supply voltage EP is equal to 220 volt. Now the formula we know. Formula is EP upon ES is equal to NP upon NS. We need to find ES. So ES is equal to NS into EP over NP. Let's fill the values. ES is equal to 8 into 220 over 800. So ES is equal to 2.2 volt. Let's move to our next numerical. The statement is, a transformer is designed to give a supply of 8 volt to ring a house bell from the 240 volt AC mains. The primary coil has 4800 turns. How many turns will be in the secondary coil? Solution. Input AC voltage EP is equal to 240 volt. Number of turns in the primary coil is equal to NP is equal to 4800. The number of turns in secondary coil NS is equal to question mark. That is, we have to find NS. And the output voltage which is given is 8 volt. Now the formula is EP upon ES is equal to NP upon NS. We have to find number of turns in secondary coil. So NS is equal to NP into ES over EP. Let's fill the values. NS is equal to 4800 into 8 over 240. By solving this, we get NS is equal to 160. So the number of turns in secondary coil is equal to 160. Let us discuss one more numerical. The input and output voltages of a transformer are 220 volt and 44 volt respectively. Find A, the turn ratio, and B, the current in input circuit if the output current is 2 ampere. Solution. As we know, ES upon EP is equal to NS upon NP. It can be written like this also. EP upon ES is equal to NP upon NS. But I told you NS upon NP because NS upon NP is our turn ratio. So NS upon NP is equal to ES upon EP. ES is 44, EP is 220. So NS upon NP comes out to be 1:5. This is our turn ratio. Next part is the output current. It is given. Output current is 2 ampere. ES is 44 as we all know. Input current IP we have to find, and EP is equal to 220 volt. We know the formula. The formula is ES into IS is equal to EP into IP. So IP is equal to, let's fill the values, 44 into 2 upon 220. 2 is output current, 44 is ES, and 220 is EP. So the IP comes out to be 0.4 ampere on solving this. So this was our numerical number 4. Now, these are some numericals to be solved by you. The first one is, the primary coil of a transformer has 400 turns and the secondary coil has 4 turns. It is connected to a 220 volt AC supply. What will be the output voltage? Numerical number 2. The input and output voltages of a transformer are 220 volt and 22 volt respectively. Find the turns ratio and the current in input circuit if output current is 1 ampere. That's all for today, my dear children. Please practice the numericals given to you. Thank you so much.